Time to check 5. Question number 6. Frame a word problem for each of the following. A. 534 divided by 3. So this is the word problem. Kimaya had 534 apples which she wanted to distribute to her 3 cousins equally. How many apples each of her cousin will receive? How many apples will be left over? 534 by 3 divided by 3. This is the division. 534 divided by 3. For 5च्या पर्यंत 3चा टेबल म्हणायचा. 3 1 जा 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 खाली घेतला 23 आले. 3 7 जा 21. 23 minus 21 is 2. 4 खाली घेतले. 3 8 जा 24. Remainder is 0. So the answer is each cousin of Kimaya will receive 178 apples and 0 apples will be left over.